Ideas for teachers using programming and robotics in their classes. Audio and voice generated by Microsoft Copilot and TTS Reader.
Good morning. We are going to program with Crumble 2 motors for a car that will complete a circuit. We can vary the power and the direction of rotation of the motors. We can also stop them. We have enabled port A to connect a button that will start the car. The Crumble board connects with crocodile clips, making it very attractive to bring programming to reality. We can simplify the program by using the repeat option. Here we see how it completes the circuit. Programming is as important as the design of the object. This way, all our students participate in the project in all phases of construction. Here we see how the motor slows down to make the turn. The motor's LED also dims. Programming with Crumble provides us with a lot of data to work with in the classroom. I hope you find it useful.